Hi everyone, here's how you can download a list of ticker symbols from a website and quickly open them as charts in Optuma. So I found a website here called asxetfs.com. This has a list of all the ETFs that are listed in Australia, and you can see there's a link here to download the file. So I'm going to click that and open it in Excel. And this is what we get. The raw data file. Now what we can do, we can save this as a CSV file and then import it as a symbol list, but this example I'm going to show you how you can highlight the symbols and drag them into Optuma. So I'm going to click on A3 there, the first ticker symbol, shift and down arrow on my keyboard takes me all the way down to the bottom, and I'm just going to open up Optuma here and put the Excel file over the top. Now when I put my cursor on the edge of column A, you'll see the cursor turns into 4 arrows. So when it does that, you can click and drag that straight onto the blank area of Optuma. Excel might give you this warning, too large and will be truncated. Don't worry about that, just click OK, and now that's going to open up a watch list of all those ticker symbols from the Excel. And there we have it there. So from here we can open up the charts, scroll down, we can chart them all with our chart layout or page layout. We can also save this as a new manual list. So I can call this ASX ETFs, and that's now one of my symbol lists. So if we're doing scans or publishing, we can use that symbol list as part of the scan. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know.